Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have something a little bit different, and I know if you're one of my wax friends, you're probably going to be like, what the hell is going on with her? She's like stopped warming wax altogether and now she's going essential oils. No, I am just kind of messing around with different things. Like at nighttime, I've been using essential oils like at night in the bedroom to kind of just calm and soothe and just give something a little bit different going on in there. So what I did is I saw another YouTuber talk about Simply Earth, which is a essential oil recipe box, and it's $39 a month for the box. But when you place your first order, you get, I'll show you in a minute, you get a big box of stuff, and I'll show you what that is. So in each recipe box, you get 4 essential oils, which right there to me is worth it, because if you go like to the store, like most essential oils are like $10 and up. So you automatically get, I feel like it's $39 and free shipping. And also if you use my link down below, you get a $20 gift card to use on your next on your next box. You can add in things, like if you want to add on stuff for your next box, it doesn't charge you any additional shipping or whatever. It's still free shipping. Also, let's see, what was I going to show you? Where is it? Oh yeah, 13% of all profits go to end human trafficking. Yes, did I say that right? 13% of all profits go to end human trafficking, which I think is really nice. So let me show you what's in this box. This is the November box, and I do have the December box coming. The other really nice thing about this too is you can change out an oil. So like for the December box, oh, and you can skip months as well. Like if you see a box that you're just not going to be interested in, you can say skip this month and then just wait out for the next month. They show you before you ever even get the box like what's going to be in it, so you can decide, am I going to like this box or not, and either skip the month or go ahead and get the box. So what you can do is, like in the December box, I believe they had a patchouli oil. I can't do patchouli, so they let me go in and switch oils. So I went in and switched for like something else that I knew that I would like. So here is what is in the box. So this is how you get the box. The oils don't look so messy. I pulled them out already. So, and then also in there you get recipe cards. So here, I got these all messed up. So they have recipe cards for like a Christmas spray, a holiday diffuser blend, ornament diffuser recipe, Into the Woods charcoal toothpaste, purifying and exfoliating charcoal face mask, ache relief roll-on. Okay, so they give you everything that you need to make those, and then they have stickers, so you can put stickers on all of your items so you know what they are. Alright, so in the box, and I'll show you the big box that you get. I believe the big box comes with your very first, like it just adds on automatically the big box, and I'll show you what's in there in a minute. So the first oil that I got is, this is just called Relief. And so there it is. It shows you, on every bottle it has that to let you know that your, proceeds go to end human trafficking. So this is tells you what's in here. It's lavender, ginger, black pepper, juniper berry, and rosemary essential oil. And let's see, what am I smelling here? This smells a lot to me like, I don't know why, frankincense? Even though it's not frankincense. Oh gosh, can I speak today? It's still early in the morning. Yeah, I smell that. I smell tea tree too, but there's no tea tree in here. I don't know. It's just a normal, like it smells like an essential oil to me. Like I don't really know how to describe that one. So that's Relief. And then the next thing in here is Wintergreen. And so Wintergreen has, oh, here it gives you some like strong and minty aromas. And then it tells you plant parts. Thought on here, does it have ingredients? Where is the ingredients? Oh, ingredients. I can't pronounce that, but you can see ingredients are right there. So there's that. Let's see what this one says. As far as, does it have, no, okay, it doesn't tell you. Okay, so the next thing in here is lemon eucalyptus. This one is camphor and citronella. And yeah, okay. Oh, okay. I didn't think I would like this one, but this one actually smells really nice. You definitely get the lemon, but it's kind of, it's made more herbal smelling by that eucalyptus. That one's really nice. I like that. Okay. And then the fourth one is pine scotch. And this is evergreen and woody. And let's see. These are also, I was reading too, I don't know much about like essential oils in general. Okay, that smells interesting. You get a little bit of pine, but it's not, it's more like they're saying like woody. I like that. Okay, so I don't know much about essential oils. I know like there's some of the MLM companies, the, what do you call them? The, whatever, like Scentsy and like Young Living, those kind of things. They're, I guess, they third-party test. So Simply Earth does the same thing as well. They have a third-party tester for all their oils. So what else they include in the box? So this is the sprayer for the Christmas spray. So you already have your thing. You just go mix up the ingredients. And then they have this ornament in here, which you can hang anywhere. I was thinking I was going to hang it in like a closet. It comes with a little bead and then a string. I thought, and the other thing is I thought this would be really fun to do with my daughter, is like put all the ingredients together and, you know, she could help and it would be interesting to do or fun to do. So this you can either hang in your car or you can put it, you can hang it wherever to give you a Christmas scent. And then they also include the activated charcoal, which says warning, very messy, which I love that because we like to make a mess, right? Okay, so there's that. So I think when you order your first order, I don't know, I'm gonna have to click my own link and see what happens, because I know for sure you get the $20 gift card, but I don't know, like I'm not sure how you get the big box of stuff. I think they send it to you like after, like for every first order, they just send you the bonus big box. And what was I gonna say? Oh, and then so every 6 months they send you another one, because it'll have all the goodies that you need to make all the products for like the next 6 months. So this is what the bonus big box looks like, and it is freaking huge. Love the packaging. You guys know I love blue. So what's included in here is beeswax. I guess at some point we'll be making maybe like a lip balm or something. Okay, and they also include carrier oils. So they have coconut in here. They have almond oil. They have a glass jar. They have another huge thing of coconut oil, which who can't use coconut oil? And then let me pull this. I can just show you guys. Excuse me. So inside they have all these bottles. They give you a ton. So basically what you get is, these are the roller balls. So you can have a roller ball for like, I guess the ache relief would be used for that one. And then they have about, I see about 5 of those. And they also have just plain bottles for you to make your own like mixes. So if you want to make like a, like I can see like using some of like my wax, some of my favorite like wax blends, like balsam and something sweet maybe in there. doing that. So there are about, how many of these are in there? I don't know, well there's at least 2. But there's, I mean, you can see in the box, there's a ton. So you get a ton of the bottles to use for your upcoming recipes. So, like the Christmas spray, they included the spray bottle for you. So it's super easy to make. I mean, you just use that. And then I always keep distilled water on hand because I use it for my steam mop. And then the rubbing alcohol. And then the holiday diffuser blend. I can't wait to use this like in the bedroom. I think that'll be really nice. And then the ornament diffuser recipe. I can't wait to get that on the wooden ornament and see what happens. I guess you could hang it on your tree too. Like that would be the smart thing to do, right? That way your house always smells like, or like by your tree always smells like that scent. So, okay. So again, I just wanted to include that. I don't, obviously there's no obligation to purchase from me whatsoever. I just, like I found this on my own, and then like after I had ordered, they gave me a referral link, and I was like, oh, well, I might as well just share that with you guys, because you get a $20 gift card that you can use. Like they send it straight through your email, and you can use it on your next subscription box. Like you can add in oils. Like my December box, I added in a few of the different oils. They have blends. Like I think they have one called Happy Joy that sounded really good. And then they have a few blends like that have a couple of different oils mixed in. So I went ahead and got a few of those that I used with my gift card. So yeah. And then you also get the bonus big box as well for your first order. And then they send you another one every like 6 months, because it includes things that you're going to need to use for upcoming like recipes. So I think that's really cool too. I mean, it really, like you get 4 oils automatically. So that's automatically $10 in oil. A little bit less after you like, it's free shipping. And yeah, it's just a really nice service. So I don't know, you know, I'm going to try it out and see how it goes. And then I'll get back with you guys on how I feel about it in a few months. Like I said, I have the December box coming, and I'll tell you more about that when it gets here. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. And if you have any questions, please just let me know, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.